On every cruise that you take, you will be required to do a safety briefing called the muster drill. It doesn't matter what cruise ship or where you are in the world, you will have to do it. The way that the muster drill is done varies from cruise line to cruise line. In this video, I'm going to explain the simple steps on how to do the muster drill on the Carnival Splendor. Step 1. Have a way to sign your name off. Either have your boarding pass or your cruise card handy. Step 2. Head to your muster station. If you're not sure where that is, it will be written on your cruise card. For my cruise, it was muster station B. Your muster station will also be written on the back of your cabin door. On the Carnival Splendor, all muster stations are on deck 4. Step 3. Have your cruise card signed off by a staff member. Step 4. After a short wait, a member of staff will demonstrate the safety procedure of putting on a life vest and any other pieces of safety information that you will need. This will only last about 5 minutes. Step 5. A second safety alert reminder will be played over all the speakers, including in the cabins just before the ship sets sail. Food and bar services and any other activities will be paused during this time. Step 6. You have completed the muster drill. Enjoy the rest of your cruise on the Carnival Splendor. P&O Australia have their own version of the muster on their ships. If you're wondering how that operates, check out this video. And thanks for watching.